All right, guys. I'm having here wonderful people. In the next 2 months, I can be calling them right now millionaires.
Yes.
Why? Because we are all going to be making the monies together.
Yes.
Now, it's not a quick scheme stuff. How did the training go anyway?
Wonderful.
Did you guys learn the trick?
Yes.
Do you now know how I get to do all my trades?
Yes.
Was there any secret about it?
No.
Now, most people don't understand. It requires a good attention from your own hand. Don't be greedy. Start small. Whatever you have, it can grow. Don't be aiming after 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Every million, the journey to the million start with 1,000.
Yes.
If you can learn to master the process, you're going to make money.
Yes.
And I can bet you, I'm going to be celebrating with every one of my students who are going to be making millions. In fact, some of us are going to be scheduling traveling trips together because we are going to rock by 9 years.
Yes.
We are going to be doing it coded.
Yes.
Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. They are all going to be making millions.
Yes.
So look at them very well now. This will be the last time you will be seeing them like this.
Yes.
Next you see them, you will not be able to recognize them. So we are going places. And if you want to learn this, I've given out enough opportunity, but guess what? With what I'm planning in store, they are already testing part of it, how it is. It's going to be more. So if you want to learn, just contact me. We'll get you started, and all of us will be glad to celebrate with you because we are all millionaires. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.
Yes.
Say bye.
Bye.